Hello friends, what's up? Today we're going to learn about how we can use the when in our communication or in a sentences. Friends, if you are new watcher in this channel, if you are new watching me, then please subscribe this channel and share it to your friends. Let's we start today's video. Friends, when it shows the time. When we communicating with each other at the time, we have to show the time, perfect time, and at that time we have to use a correct word, perfect word for showing that. So when it is the perfect word for showing the time. So let's we see some examples, and through some examples we can understand the uses of when in a sentences. There are so many ways to use it. It's depend on us how we can use it and when we can use it. So please keep it in your mind. When this word, there are so many ways that we can use. In this video I'm going to tell you some ways only, okay, not always, some ways. So whenever you meet to your friend, whenever you communicate with your friends or relatives, so at that time you use when word in different ways. Let's we start. First example, if I want to say my class teacher when it comes to the school, or my principal when it comes to the school, this is the present time, this is the present tense that I want tell, that I want ask. So when I go to the school and I don't know when my principal comes to the school, so to the servant I can ask like this: when the principal of this school comes to the school, when the principal of this school comes to the school. Okay, when he comes to the school, this is the present tense, very simple present tense. It shows the habit. When the principal comes to the school, when it all times he comes to the school, not one day, in all day when he comes to the school. So this is the first example. Let's see another one example. When school will finish, when school will finish, or over, when school will over. So this is the future sentence. When this word, it shows the future time. When the school over, it means now the school is going on, and when it over, when it finished. So this is the future time it shows. Okay, next example. I got married when I was 21. You repeat this sentence. I got married when I was 21. Okay, so when I married, when I was the age of 21. So it is the past time. When this word shows the past time, when I was in the age of 21, at the time I got married. Okay, let's see another one example. When he entered in the classroom, when he entered in the classroom, teacher asked him a question. When he entered into the classroom, teacher asked him a question. This is a long sentence. You repeat after me. When he entered in the classroom, teacher asked him a question. Okay, so when he entered in the classroom, at that time the teacher asked him a question. Okay, so this is also a past tense. So like this we can use the when in our sentences. Let's see another one example. Parents goes to school when school send them a notice. Parents goes to school when school send them notice. So this is also a example of uses of when word. Okay, this is the example where we use the when word. Parents goes to school when the school send them a notice for meeting them in the school time. Okay, so this is one example. Let's see another one example. Sandesh plays cricket when he got a time. Sandesh plays cricket when he got a time. So this is the uses of when word. When Sandesh plays, when he got a time. Okay. So like this, we can use the when word in our sentences. Let's see another one example. She called me when she need me. She called me when she need me. So it's depend on the time when she need me. So at that time she will call me. When she called me, it means the hard time on her. That's why she called me. Okay, so this is the uses of when word that we just understand it. Let's see another one example. When we can speak English, when we practice it. When we can speak English, when we practice it. You say after me, please. When we can speak English, when we practice it. So in my every videos, I told you there is no another way to learn to speak English. There is only one way. When we practice it, then we can learn very fastly. When we practice it, then we can learn very speedily. Okay, so please practice the English, then you can speak English very well. Let's see another one example. He climbed so many a tree. He climbed so many a tree when he was a boy. He climbed so many trees when he was a boy. You repeat after me. He climbed so many a tree when he was a boy. So this is another one example which shows the time. Okay, you repeat after me, please. He climbed so many trees when he was a boy. So at the age of teenage or very young, at that time he climbed so many a tree. Okay, now he become something older, so he cannot climb on the tree. Let's see another one example. India won the cricket match when the team needed 6 into 12. India won the match when it needed 6 into 12. So this is another one example that we can use in our communication. When communication being good, when we use it, when our communication become very beautiful or good, when we use when word. When this word shows the time, I already told you. So friends, you can use it in every way. When you need it, that time you can use this when word in your communication. I hope all these examples, all these sentences, may you understood. If you have problem in any example, then please comment me in the comment box, or if you don't understand, then please comment me in the comment box. I hope I clear my topic here well. I hope so. So please, if you like this video, then subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.